access SAP Activate. So I just log into this dashboard here. So I'm just going to show you overview of this SAP access SAP Activate, how we are going to use this SAP Activate methodology through different forms. Like we right now you can see the overview, structure, personalization, SAP Cloud ALM, and implementation for business technology like B2B. So, what is SAP Activate? I believe everybody knows what it from SAP side, business side. What is SAP Activate? It's a flexible, modular, and agile methodology designed to streamline the implementation and the continuous innovation of SAP solutions. It offers a harmonized approach that supports initial deployments and ongoing business enhancements. Well, SAP methodology and SAP Activate is not new for any business consultant. It's same like what we do is like I can say that in development in application development, we can say DevOps process. It's kind of the same thing. We use that in a DevOps kind of DevOps. My DevOps colleagues and my DevOps friends know that they are doing like continuous integration through DevOps. So we use SAP Activate here. Like if we have SAP Metal SAP implemented, like SAP, we have SAP module implemented. To our organization within the organization. So what we do is like use the SAP Activate to I can say monitor it or to go for the new implementation to use. We can use the rollout phases if we have already built and we are just rolling out from one side to other side, A side to B side, or we have multiple locations where we use the SAP methodology and SAP Activate. Well, like these are the phases for the SAP Activate, like discover, prepare, explore, realize, deploy, and run. Discover the solution capabilities, initial planning, prepare initial planning, like we do the documentation, solutioning, gathering in the simple form, like gathering the information from different entities, or we can say that from functional teams and the technical teams sit together within the project management, or we can say within the senior management, and from both sides. Like if we have what we said that we have a client server or a client consultant client consultant, I can say relation. Like a client consultant means if there is a consulting company and consulting company A and the client is B, so consulting company is going to sit together with the client that's B. So from the B side, people from the management, people from the technical side, people from from the different entities, like from functional, from for the module they are working for. Like let's take an example that there one company is building in a finance FICO, like finance and controlling. So the people from finance and control, like finance manager, finance director, finance vice president, and all these are functional people who are going to have a meeting with the with the consulting company, like consulting company A company, and then they have their own teams and own experts, headed with the project manager, headed with the project director. So all will sit together and then start the documentation of their what we said at the module, and in the technical technical term we call it as solutioning. They will start the solutioning, they will prepare the documentation, they will prepare what about the documentation is like what hardware we're going to use, what database we're going to use, how it's going to cost us, how we're going to put the efforts. So all within that discover phase and prepare phase, we do all these kind of settings, and we do all these kind of gatherings. Then we use this explore, fit to standard, validate solution fit, and identify delta requirements for config, data integration, and extensibility. Then realize phase is it's kind of a perform a series of agile in this iterations to um, configure, extend, and test for integrated business environment, perform data load. That's what we do is like we build the systems, three system landscape, like development, quality, and the production. Then what we do is like we just move the data when we set up the three system landscape. Then we just what we do is like we create changes, we move the data into changes, like changes we changes is what we do is like we when somebody from finance they will just create a structure, or they will create a PO, like then the PO will be like created from one environment, then it will be moved through the transports through to the other another environment in the three system landscape environment. So that is what actually it does us for the we can do the we can upload the data, we can upload data load. It will be or we can say that if we have to migrate the data, upload the data, what form of data it is, then we can use the job management to load the data. Then as per the our data, if it is 18 terabytes, 30 terabytes. So we have to gather the information, like we have to work we have to implement our software, or we can say that we have to set up the infrastructure as per that, like if we are going to have the this much data, store this much data, then what type of what is it hardware I have to choose. And if we are going to what is it like a high availability, what's the high availability for my business, because I want to reach a high availability, or we can say that I want to reach a 99.9% data loss. We shouldn't even realize there is any data loss, or there's any kind of what we say that is like if there is any what we said if we have a shutdown, or we just there's any disaster recovery or something, how we are going to recover the data, how we are going to achieve the 99.9% data, how we're going to achieve that the 99.9% data is safe. And that's continue that's what we are going to I can say like select, and we're going to design our landscape in that from that perspective. So keeping the scenario in mind, what we do is like we just set up the landscapes in some people just set up some companies have idea. Some companies just want to set up three system landscapes, some four system landscape. So it's in that actually in that way, as per the client requirements, like the company B client requirements are set, then it will go to the consultancy, like company A, which is consulting company. So they will just prepare their human resource, their techies, their functional people, and then they will start the implementation. Then deploy is final step of final setup of the production landscape, data loads, confirm readiness, go live. Like when we just start building the dev, quality and production, then we just move our data through the three system landscape. Then we see that it's coming through and everything is working fine. Then we just consider it's a project successful and a go live successful. The run is just a continuous integration. I can say that it's in the hypercare. It's the people who have implemented that. They will just give the support you for uh, you know as per the agreement, like the consulting company. You are the you agreed with the support, and then they agreed with the support. That's what it is. So this is about the SAP Activate. So structure, how is SAP Activate organized? So this is how is SAP Activate organized. Phases, deliverable, task, accelerator. Phases are stages of the project at the end of each phase. So what phases? I just want to talk about the phases. Phases, like we have quality phases, like where we just use our quality gates, or we use phases to move the data from this like for this kind of configuration. Solution Manager was previously in build phase, in build solution centralized tool for the SAP. But we have other ways to use the phases. Like we have HP third-party tools, HP Service Manager, and now we have cloud. We can use other cloud platforms. We have different cloud data lake and other cloud farms where we can use this one. And then deliverable is an outcome that is delivered through during the course of the project. Several deliverables are included within a work stream. A task provides guided instruction and regarding work to be performed. One or several tasks comprise a deliverable. So these things are the task assigned to someone, and it was like we had a beautiful tool in the solution manager where we can just manage schedule the tasks, and then it will implement as per the quality gate perspective, and then task will be achieved in that manner. So accelerator is a document template or web link that helps perform the task and complete the work faster or within the less effort. Work stream tag, and then I just want to wrap up as soon as possible. Then another one we have here, that is what is cloud ALM. I just want to play this video for you. So just
SAP Cloud
you
ALM
want to
is
hear.
SAP's flagship application lifecycle management offering. It is created to streamline the way our customers operate their cloud and hybrid environments across their entire business. Through a holistic approach that covers both implementation and operations of cloud solutions, SAP Cloud ALM enables you to understand how to manage all aspects of any SAP Cloud product. It provides a pre-configured, content-driven guided workspace, enhanced with SAP's best practice support and methodology. You can manage project teams, business processes, and monitor integration-related exceptions with efficiency. SAP Cloud ALM is capable of finding and analyzing anomalies and exceptions during business process execution. And best of all, SAP Cloud ALM is included in your cloud subscription. It's immediately available, works intuitively, and delivers value quickly without the need for hardware investment. Do you want to learn more or want to request SAP Cloud ALM? Please go to support.sap.com/cloud-ALM.
I just wanted to show you this presentation here today, guys. So I just want to wrap up this because the video, I don't want to stretch this video. Video is crossing actually its limits. So I don't want to create it in that way. But next video will be purely on the implementation. I will start, implementing the HANA 2.0 SPS 5. I will just create infrastructure on SUSE, Linux SUSE. I think it's 15.6, something like that, because I don't remember right now. But yeah, I will just create mount points, and we'll just share the space storage as per the mount points, where we are going to have the user SAP, then we are going to use a user HANA and other log data and the different directories. Then we will create, we'll just configure the cockpit as well, HANA Cockpit 2.0. That's going to be where we are going to use the complete SAP ALM methodology. So that's what actually, guys. I didn't have time. I was busy with the project. So I have a lot of interesting videos coming up in future. The real-time project, I actually plan to, record is complete implementation of this one, high availability, how to set up with complete commands, CRM status, and complete. Actually, I just want to set up so that people can use blind eye those commands and set up the high availability. Hope you like the video, guys. I appreciate your time. I will appreciate if you can just give a like to my video. Thank you so much.